So now, of course, we know how important it is to look after our teeth, but just as important to look after your dog's teeth, because so many pooches start to show signs of gum disease at a very young age, and the last thing you want is a young dog with no teeth. So this morning we are joined by Dr. Kookie Harris, who specializes in the welfare of animals, talking about dental care and the importance thereof for your pets. Dr. Kookie Harris, always nice to have you on a Friday.
Yeah, good morning. I'm getting used to this.
Ah.
I don't take your job.
Listen to you. Okay, cool. So we're talking about the importance of dental care for your dogs, but from your expertise, why is it overall so important?
Look, just as much as it is important for us, you know, it's also as important for animals. They obviously use their teeth specifically for chewing. Unlike us, we also need them to look beautiful. But for them, you know, they also need to look good. Can you imagine a dog without teeth?
Yeah.
Why it's important is that you want the dog to be able to eat. So if you look after their teeth, they should be able to eat for quite some time.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I know that our Bobby had a teeth issue.
Yes. In fact, that was my first encounter with him. And what usually happens is when a dog comes into the clinic and you're going to examine it, and the chief complaint is that he's not eating. It could easily be overlooked, but the first place you should look is really in the mouth, isn't it? Can he chew? Yeah. So that's what I did. And as soon as you approach Bob, the first thing you do is he just wouldn't let you touch him around the mouth area. So that was an indication. I mean, you still go on and do a full examination, but that's where you start.
The mouth generally, of course, the first.
Yeah.
What are the major causes of tooth decay or gum disease when it comes to dogs?
Look, there's varying things that you can see, and as I've told you, I've done a lot of work in welfare. Yes. So what you see in welfare is probably very different from what you see in private practice. Okay. But the bottom line here is just treats alone can make a dog's tooth or teeth break. Sure. So you've got to be careful what type of treats. But also there's other diseases, and especially in young dogs. Usually what happens is they can get what we could call dental hypoplasia, where because if they do get a fever somewhere along the line whilst the enamel is developing, there tends to be no enamel, and that leaves the teeth very sensitive. Yeah.
So what are pet owners out there to do to prevent tooth decay or gum disease at home? What can they do?
Look, it's once again, you know, nutrition is very important. What you feed your dog is going to affect how his teeth look out in the end. So if you're going to only concentrate on soft food, the likelihood that they're going to get tartar and all of that is very high. So feeding them pellets is very good, because as they break into the pellet, there's also that action of cleaning the teeth. Yeah.
Exactly. So I mean, these pellets are specifically designed for that, and also I'm sure you get special toys and that you can get.
Absolutely. I mean, the one thing that clients or the people out there need to look out for is whatever toys you buy, just make sure that it's one that is not going to break the dog's teeth, because once a tooth is broken, then you have a problem. You have to go and see the vet, and that tooth will have to be pulled out. I mean, it actually can get worse, so much so that I think you do know that we have specialists, and you can specialize in animal dentistry, and that's how far it can go. So there's a wide range of conditions that you can see.
Exactly, and obviously you don't want to get to that point. Dr. Kookie Harris.
It's going to take the whole day.
It's going to take the whole day. Thank you so much for coming through and just giving us a bit of insight from your side in terms of dental care for dogs.
Yeah, so I think the most important thing is just to make sure that you feed the right food.
Feed the right food, awesome. So make sure that
no treats. No sweet treats, please.
No sweet treats, no chocolates.
Chocolate is even worse. Deadly for dogs.
Let's not even go there. Let's not even go there. So thank you so much. Make sure that you do keep a keen eye on your dog's teeth, because you need to look after it just as much as you do your own. But right now it's over to Kat, who's enjoying the lovely sunshine on our balcony.
Strong South African dogs help each other out. With your support, Bobtail will supply 200,000 meals to dogs looking for loving homes. For details, see specially marked packs in store or visit bobtail.co.za today.